How to edit driver details in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Click on Drivers. Select Drivers from the options to access all the drivers in the account. The active list will display drivers active in the last 7 days. The inactive list will display drivers inactive in the last 7 days. Click on the edit icon for the driver you need to make changes for. Under Basic, you can edit the driver's name, contact details, etc. Click on Cycle Info to edit the driver's cycle information and cargo type. Please note that the home terminal time zone is the same as the company's time zone and is not editable. Click on Settings to modify restrictions on the driver's working. Once done, click on Save or Update to confirm the changes. Yay! Your changes have been successfully made, and you will see a confirmation message at the top.